There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Let's continue on and get into the market, how things have been going. We're going to take a look at our VPSs and see what's going on. First thing we can see is NZDCAD is in some drawdown, currently in some open trades. We see GBPCHF is in a trade as well right now. USDJPY is in trades. AUDJPY is in 2.3% floating profit on the week. AUDCHF is in a little drawdown and swinging. AUDNZD is in a little drawdown and taking some trades, so we're in some open trades there. CAD-JPY has no open trades. CHF-JPY, no trades. CAD-CHF has some open trades right now. USDCHF is in a floating 3.88% profit on the week right now. AUD-USD is not in any open trades. Euro-USD is not in any open trades here. Euro-CHF is in some open trades right now, in some buys. EuroCAD is in some open trades right now, as well in some buys and some sells. EURJPY is up 2.37%, working on making its way back after a big L earlier on. EURAUD. GBPAUD is up 1.28% on the week here. GBPCHF is not in any trades. GBPJPY is not in any trades. GBPNZD is not in any trades. And GBPUSD is not in any trades. NZDUSD is clear. USDCAD is up 2.44% on the week. NZDCHF no trades. Euro GBP no trades. AUDCAD no trades. Euro NZD 0.75% gain on the week. And let's go ahead over to MyFXBook, where we're going to take a look at more analytics from the one pair data accounts here. Sort by absolute gain, we can see USDCAD is up absolute gain of 134%, doing 146. GBPAUD is up 160, absolute gain of 121. GBPUSD is up almost 98% now on absolute gain, 125% total. And these are pairs just running by themselves since we started. So why I'm showing this is, okay, GBPAUD, if you were in it since October 26 to now, on its own, just this pair alone, all right, has done 125%. AUD-USD is up 89%, Euro NZD is up 76%, GBP NZD is up 82% since inception, Euro NZD up 77% since inception, NZD USD up 52% since inception, Euro AUD up 45% since inception, CAD CHF's up 45% since inception, AUD NZD up 34%, AUD CHF 30, Euro CHF 0.92, NZDJPY, and you know, you can see what pairs are less performing, and you can see what pairs are best performing, right? So our best performers are going to really be up here, all right, even Euro USD. Then our normal performers are going to really be here, but some of these we don't even like to trade. Some of them are still considered worst performers. And then, you know, coming down here, we can see some of the worst performers being JPY pairs. We avoid JPY pairs like the Black Plague. We don't touch them anymore. Now, if we take a look at how my large GearBox is doing, we've been referencing this account lately. This is a multi-million, over $1 million GearBox account here. And you can see that it's doing its thing. It's up almost 22.5% here, up over $181,000 profit. Currently in some trades, but it's doing its thing. It's doing what GearBox does best, focusing on making money and trading. And this is a real live account. You know, it's taken 75 trades and won 80% of them. So the win rate is absolutely great. And this was just updated 3 minutes ago, as you can see. So this is a real live in action account trading over $1 million with GearBox. So, you know, keep in mind, we're constantly making optimizations. We are going to be rolling out a manager update here. Let me find. I'm going to have to hold on for a minute and stop sharing. I am going to go ahead and pull up the latest currency pair chart. A lot of people always are asking about this stuff. So here we go. All right, let me come back to you guys, and this is the latest chart. So in here you can see, you know, the best performing pairs. Your worst, we actually have to remove green on this. AUDJPY is also JPY, so it's going to yellow. Yellow it goes. Important to highlight, you know, the better performers always. We had USDCAD here is the best performer. It still is. And yeah, this is the new updated pairs list. Details, updates, entries on each pair. Many pairs have had entries raised, such as CHF-JPY, Euro NZD as well. You can see has been raised all the way to 5 for swing. We've also increased the max gears. You've probably seen that that things are volatile. We used to run a max gear 8, which meant it would stop at gear 7. Well, you can see the conflict and interest in that is sometimes Super Sniper on some of these pairs entered on 6. You know, or regular entered on 5, and you take 5 and 6 and 7 and you're out. You know, and that just didn't work because sometimes things would trend. So we've increased the max gears all the way to 11, meaning it'll take 10 on many of the normal pairs, and on our GBP and more volatile pairs all the way up to gear 13, which would enter a gear 12 trade. So we have increased our max gears. We haven't changed any other of the risk management. We've increased our entries on many of these pairs during that time and reason. We've eliminated many pairs that we know just consistently steal money from people. JPY pairs, some of the CHF pairs, EuroCAD for sure. And we've highlighted which pairs have also performed the most consistently in the group. So, you know, we think that this will really give somebody, you know, a great trading opportunity. And then conservative striper strategy is going to be 0.01 per 2 to 3K equity, 3 max pairs trading. You know, if you have, let's do something real quick. If less than 1.5K in account, please use 2 max pairs trading. No worst performers. numbers, right? So we've also modified a little bit of our risk and so, and then updated June 25th, 2022. All right, so people will have this in their hand. Okay, so here we are with the latest updated chart, and this will be coming to all of you today along with a manager update. So keep in mind, this is coming today with a manager update. You guys are getting a sneak peek of the updated list many people have been asking for. So this will be posted in the group later, and this will become a static page people will be able to tune into. With that being said, let's take a look at ForexFactory in the week ahead. Going into ForexFactory, we can see that Monday is pretty calm. Tuesday we have one red folder USD news. Wednesday we have Euro, GBP, and USD red folder news. Fed Chair Powell, Governor Bally speaks, President Lagarde speaks. We have core PCE index as well. On Friday we have ISM manufacturing PMI. So a few red folders, nothing crazy, nothing unexpected, volatile that really concerns me. So it should be a calm trading week ahead. Look forward for more GearBox updates coming in the very near future, including trailing stop losses on all levels being a new feature being added. That one won't be released today, of course, but I have multiple new versions of GearBox with brand new features for testing in the beta test groups, and they're going to begin stress testing them as well. You will see a GearBox Manager update roll out today. So with that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and look forward to another amazing trading week ahead. God bless you all.